students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 3 of exercise 6.2 of chapter 6 triangles for class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 3 says in the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, then we need to prove that AM upon AB is equals to AN upon ND. So the figure is being given to us. So in the figure we can clearly see there are two triangles. One triangle is ABC and another triangle is ADC. So in the triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC and triangle ADC, LN is parallel to DC. So let us take first the triangle ABC. Taking triangle ABC. Taking triangle ABC. So when we are taking the triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC. It is being given to us. So we can clearly over here apply the basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. So the basic proportionality theorem says that if one side is parallel, if LM is parallel to one side of the triangle and the LM is having the points L and M such that they are intersecting the other two sides of the triangle, then surely LM divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay. So we clearly can apply over here the basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So let us apply the basic proportionality theorem. So using Thales theorem or the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so AM upon MB will be equal to AL upon LC will be equal to AL upon LC according to the basic proportionality theorem. So this is our equation number 1. So this again we can apply in the triangle ADC. Now let us take the triangle. Taking the triangle ADC. So in the triangle ADC also LN is parallel to DC. So here also we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. So using Thales theorem, because here also it is being given to us that LN is parallel to DC. So LN, if it is parallel to the one side of the triangle, and L and N are such points there that they are intersecting the other two sides of the triangle, then LN is dividing the other two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. Okay, so this is our basic proportionality theorem, so we will be using it over here. Okay, so A again from here, AL upon LC will be equal to AN upon ND. So this, let us mark it to be our equation number 2. Equation number 2. Okay. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, it is clear that AL upon LC is equals to AN upon ND, and also it is equal to AM upon MB. So AL upon LC will be equal to AN upon ND will be equal to AM upon MB. Okay. So we will be taking this part of the equation. So we will be reciprocating it both sides. Okay. First we will be reciprocating both sides. So why we are doing this, that also I will let you know. Okay. So first let us reciprocate it. So it will give us MB upon AM to be equal to ND upon AN. We reciprocated it because we are having AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. So that's why we have reciprocated it in order to get our main proof which we are wanting in the question to be done. Okay, so that's why we have reciprocated it. Now we will be adding both sides. Adding both sides. Both the sides. Okay. So when we will be adding both the sides, we will be getting MB upon AM plus 1 will be equal to ND upon AN plus 1. Okay. So now what we will be doing? We will be taking our LCM to be AM. So we will be taking LCM to be AM. So here will be MB plus AM. And this side also we will be taking the LCM AN. So it will be ND plus AN. Okay. So when MB and AM, when we will be combining it, when we will be combining both of them, we will be getting AB. We will be getting AB over here. Okay. So let us write down to be equal to AB upon AM will be equal to then ND plus AN. So ND is this, AN is this. So when ND and AN will get combined, it will be equal to AD. It will be equal to AD. So it will be AD upon AN. So it will be equal to AD upon AN. But still we have not reached a result which we have to prove. So we will be reciprocating it. We will be reciprocating this whole equation and we will be getting our answer. So from here, reciprocating again. Okay. So reciprocating again. Reciprocating again. So we'll be getting our answer to be AM upon AB will be equal to AN upon AD. This thing only we need to prove. So this is our proof. So hence proved. Just remember that you need to reciprocate it over here. If you will not reciprocate it, and if you will be directly adding 1 over here, then it will come out to be AN plus ND upon ND, AM plus MB upon MB. Okay, so you will be not getting the correct proof over here. So first reciprocate it, then add 1, then after adding 1 you can join AMB plus AM to be equal to AB, and over here ND plus AN to be equal to AD, or AN plus ND you can say like this to be AD, and then again reciprocating again. So we'll be getting the result which we have to prove over here. So in this manner you don't need to proceed such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.